Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a powerful all-in-one kitchen machine that can basically replace multiple appliances, the Ninja Kitchen System BL770. If you're someone who loves smoothies, shakes, or even making dough at home, this system is designed to handle it all. Powered by a strong 1500-watt motor, it delivers serious performance whether you're crushing ice, blending frozen fruits, or mixing thick ingredients. Let's start with versatility, because that's where this product really stands out. You're getting a full-size blender pitcher, an 8-cup food processor bowl, and two 16-ounce to-go cups. That means you can go from making a large batch of smoothies for the family to quickly blending a personal drink for yourself, all with the same machine. The food processor attachment is perfect for tasks like chopping vegetables, making salsa, or even preparing dough. So instead of buying separate appliances, you're getting everything in one compact system. Now, when it comes to performance, this thing is powerful. It can crush ice into snow-like texture within seconds, which is perfect for frozen drinks or smoothies. The blades are designed to handle tough ingredients without slowing down, giving you consistent results every time. Another thing I like is the convenience factor. The to-go cups come with lids, so you can blend your smoothie and take it with you immediately, no extra steps needed. It's great for busy mornings. Despite all its power, the controls are simple and easy to use, so you don't need to be a pro in the kitchen to get great results. Plus, the parts are designed for easy cleaning, which saves time after use. Overall, if you want a multifunctional kitchen system that can blend, process, mix, and crush all in one, the Ninja BL770 is a solid choice. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this.